I'm Elena Sinel, the founder of Teens in AI, and I'm so excited to welcome you to our Global AI Challenge. At Teens in AI, our mission is to inspire, educate, and empower young people like you to explore artificial intelligence and technology as tools for creating a better world. Since 2018, we have reached more than 35,000 young people, just like you, all over the world. In fact, we have young people like you learning to change the world using AI and data science in more than 100 countries around the world. AI has the power to change lives, but only if we build it responsibly. This is just the beginning of your journey, a journey to create technology that makes the world kinder, fairer, and more human. I absolutely cannot wait to see what you create.
The future is looking very exciting in many ways with AI. I believe that AI has huge potential for good.
Everyone's voices matter. So, in whatever way you want to get your voice out there.
To not forget that you're in charge. We see AI everywhere, right? And it can do amazing things. It can just generate images, it can code, it can do all this stuff, but it's not actually smarter than you.
I think life will teach you that. I think life is a beautiful way to learn so much about yourself.
I actually failed all my exams at school. I left school with nothing. And interesting now, I actually sit on the board of a university.
If I'm doing data, if I'm doing AI, if I'm learning all these things, the goal for me is to solve problems. That's why I'm coming to school. I want to see problems and I want to be able to solve it.
I'm Damani Eason. I am the business executive to the CTO or Chief Technology Officer of Sage. I'm looking forward to seeing how the teens have put their minds together to use technology to innovate around the UN Sustainable Development Goals.
Hi everyone, we are Team EVO. We represent an innovative solution to food insecurity.
Hey everyone, we are Team Nova. Our product is called as Seedling. It's basically built around a simple belief: every child deserves to grow.
Hi, we are AI Test Squad, which is good and well-being. Imagine waking 5 criminals to a clinic and wait for hours, and then we start to come back tomorrow.
Hello everyone. Today we are not just presenting a technical project. We are sharing a mission born out of a nightmare. While the birds saw a natural disaster, for us in Godman, it was personal.
Imagine a child who wants to learn, but can't touch a screen, hold a pen, or press a key. Not by choice, but because they physically can't.
Genuinely, when I say you all are winners, you really all are. And at this stage, you might not even know how this will transform your life, but I promise you it will.
I was extremely impressed at the technical knowledge and capability of each and every one of you. One thing that I was really happy to see was that, your app ideas weren't just chatbots. You guys were using AI in a very intelligent way, in a very multifaceted way. I'll tip my hat to you in terms of using AI in a way that most people are not even aware of.
So today, we saw something very important. We saw teens, boys, girls, participating, and this matters. So if you look at the research, you see that the teams which are diverse are more effective, more innovative, and produce better outcomes. Yes, so this is also important that we all work together. We often hear concerns about artificial intelligence, about risks, about uncertainty, about how it might change our world. Yes, it is changing our world, and it's happening today. But how AI changes our world depends on you, depends on us, because it depends on how we design it, how we use it, and how responsibly and ethically we use the AI. And this is where you come into the game. You are not just the users of the technology, you are the generation who will shape it. and you show that today in all your projects.